everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we'll be unboxing my summer FabFitFun box. So, this actually arrived a couple of days ago, and I'm just now getting the opportunity to unbox it, and I think you guys will see this video in just a couple of days. So, I'm excited to get into here. This is a quarterly box. I think it's $49.99, but you can typically find a discount code online if you look for it. I don't have a discount code. I'm not affiliated with any of these folks. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open my box. I'm excited to get into it. I kind of peeked, but I kind of didn't at the same time. So, all right, this is what it looks like when you open the box. It does have a magazine inside, a couple other advertisements. Let's be honest, they're advertisements. And then it has the actual box, and that is what it looks like. So, let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? Okay. I just ripped it. Okay. Where do I want to start? Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the book first. This has Eva Longoria, or Eva Longoria. I think it's Eva Longoria on it. And it does have like a whole magazine here to tell you about the products in the box and how to use some of them and so on and so forth. But what I'm going to be looking at is the beginning here, where it actually goes through the products. And I'm making a face because one of the products that I requested is not in here. I got something different. So that's kind of upsetting. Yeah, that's kind of upsetting. Okay. So it does have all the products on the magazine here that you could have picked from. And then there's the second page with the items that everyone got. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the one section. There's 1A, B, C, and D. You could have gotten, okay, a mini travel blow dryer, which is right there. The Lotus towel, which is right there. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel, which is right there. And the Spiritual Gangsta Maya Kimono, which is that right there. I selected this item here, which is the towel. So I honestly didn't need any of those other things. Not that I really needed a towel, to be perfectly honest, but I figured I would go ahead and get this because I could always use another beach towel, to be honest with you. So let's get this open and see what it looks like. So there it is. Can you see it? Probably not. It's too big. But yeah. All right. So that is just a towel that I will be bringing with me to the beach when I go in a couple of weeks. That is nice. All right. This next item is what I did not get that I requested. And this was one of the items that you could request. But I did not get the item that I requested. So the items under the second section are the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask set of 5, which is right there. The West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, which is right there. The Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, which is right there. Or the XO Sienna Black Felt Letterboard, which is right there. I remember talking this over with my husband and talking through the options and like saying, well, I don't really need this. I don't really need this. We decided on the bowls. I didn't get the bowls. The bowls are not in here. What I got, or what they sent me, because it's not what I asked for, is the bag. Can you see it? Now, it is a beach tote. I'm not totally upset about this, to be honest with you. This was my second choice. Honestly, I'm just happy that I didn't get the other two items. The masks, I really didn't want. And the board, I actually recently bought one of those message boards. It's sitting on the other side of the room. I started a business with my sister. It's niminies.com, but it's not the name of like the registered business name. The registered business name is actually what I have on my letterboard over there. But anyway, so this is a beach tote. It actually is not bad. it has a flat bottom, which is actually really nice. So, okay, I'm not as upset as I was when I first opened the box. Because it does seem like it's in, you know, pretty sturdy material. Okay, I'm not as upset as when I opened the box and saw that it wasn't the bowls. So, all right, I can get down with this. It is a beach bag. It is something that I will definitely use. I will probably put the towel in here when I go to the beach. All right, and this is from the Global Gift Foundation. This is the Eva Longoria Foundation. So actually, let me read from the book what these items say. So the first item was the Paul Hermanni Lotus Towel. Take it to the beach, lay out with it by the pool. Whatever you do, this blue lotus towel is perfect for all your summer adventures. And the retail value on that is $50. All right, and then the bag is the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote. The 100% cotton tote features rope handles and a snap closure for easy carrying. Plus, it's big enough to hold your towel, cover up, SPF, and then some. And the retail value on that is $50 as well. All right, so the next item is number 3. I'm trying to figure out what it is I got. Okay, this one I selected this one specifically. So the first one was the Burn 60 resistance bands, which is right there. The next item is the Jennifer Zuner Star Double Necklace, which is right there. And then the third item is the Otomi What a Pair set of 2 silicone wine glasses, which is this right down here at the bottom. I selected the wine glasses just because I thought that that would really come in handy. I love jewelry. Mostly I wear rings. I like necklaces, but I just don't wear them. I actually have a couple of them that I've gotten in previous FabFitFun boxes on my shelf over here, but I just don't take the time to wear them on a regular basis. I just don't. And the resistance bands, just not something that I was really all that interested in. So I got the glasses, which you don't have to drink wine, right? I mean, I don't drink wine, so I wouldn't actually be using these for wine, but I could definitely use them as, like, you know, water. I love water. I drink a lot of water. So I'm trying to get them out of the packaging. Okay, so they're a little bit squished. You can see they're a little bit squished. But yeah, they feel really nice. Let's see if they sit up just fine. And that's not because of my hand. Let me see if I have something flat that I can sit it on. Well, let's just do this. I'm just going to sit it on the FabFitFun box. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you're not somewhere where your earth is going to be shaking or your tables are going to be shaking while you're drinking from your wine glasses. So I will say this, the one is actually split. So that's not cool. I'm going to show you guys here. It's just a minor detail, I think. I don't think it'll actually affect the usage of it. It's right there. Hopefully it will focus enough for you guys to see that it actually is split there. But it doesn't appear to be the whole way through. So it looks like it should be fine. So yeah, I actually picked these. I'm really happy to get them. All right, so this is the Otomi What a Pair set of 2 silicone wine glasses. What an unbreakable pair. These silicone wine glasses are perfect to drink your favorite wine on the go. Again, I don't drink wine. Wine actually doesn't agree with me. But yeah, it's definitely something that I could take, like, especially to like the beach or the pool. That's pretty nice. The retail value on that is $25. So I really considered buying that necklace though. You can do like add-ons or you can buy like some of the other items in the box. And I really considered picking that up. All right, the next items were, you had one of 3 items. It was the Ico London I Do Black Liquid Eyeliner, which is right there. The Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, which is right there. Or mystery item. I personally did not need the eyeliner. I did not need the styling cream. So I picked the mystery item, which is right there. You can see it just has a little thingy on there. It says mystery choice. So let's see what I got. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm happy about this. I am happy about this. So this is the Grown Alchemist Hand Cream Vanilla Orange Peel. I am actually really excited about this. Ooh, it's kind of beat up though. It's actually really beat up. I don't know if the camera will pick up all the dents. This packaging is actually a metal, like a metal packaging, and there's a bunch of little dents in there. It's quite beat up. So it does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it right now, but I am actually really excited to get that. I've been really enjoying hand creams, specifically hand creams recently. I've got some dry patches on my hands in particular, and I've been really enjoying hand creams. So basically the mystery item, it just says, what could it be? A palette, trigger ball, or maybe a primer. We love a good mystery, and we promise this is a good one. So let me actually look up the retail value on this. All right, so this is retails for $24. It says this non-greasy formulation of moisturizing botanical extracts naturally soothes and softens dry, undernourished hands and cuticles. You know what? I am going to open it because I know I'm going to use this. So let's open it up a little bit here. It's just a white cream. I'm going to put a little bit in my palm. All right, all it smells like is orange. Yeah, all it smells like is orange. And I am not opposed to that. I like the smell of orange. Yeah, that's all it smells like. I'm not upset about that. And it feels nice. So, not upset about that at all. All right, so the next page has all the items that I think everybody gets. Oh, no, wait. Okay, so there's a 5A, 5B, and 5C. That is only open to select members. So that's weird. So it says that the 4, A, B, and C is open to select members to pick, but I know I picked the mystery item. I'm pretty sure I did. I don't know. I picked it like 2 months ago. Does anybody else have that problem? Like you can't remember things you did like 6 weeks ago? All right. So 5A, the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm is right there. And then the other 2 items are on the next page. We've got 5B, which is the Kula Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray, which is right there. And then I'm trying to see what I actually got. Okay. 5C, which is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish, which is right there. And it looks like that's the one I got, 5C, which is this right here. This is the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish. That is a big tube, but that is what it looks like. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read from the book. Let's see if it's got a safety seal. It does have a safety seal. Fantastic, because I don't think I'm going to keep this. I think this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. So this is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. Intelligent is right. This unique formula is curated with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh, smooth face. Retail value on this is $57. So, all right. Like I said, I'm sure it's fantastic. I just use a chemical exfoliant. I don't use a physical exfoliant typically. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer. All right. The rest of the items, there's 3 more items in here. Yes, there's 3 more items in here, and they're 4 more items in here, and they're all items that everybody got. So the first one is from Invisibobble. It is the original duo pack. The answer to all your ponytail problems. This revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. And it's $16 and you get 6 of them. I actually just used some of these. I have one that had like a velveteen material wrapped around it, and I was just using it when I was on vacation the last couple of weeks because I like that a lot better than like the individual ones like this. But yeah. I actually have some right up here on my shelf behind me. They're purple, and it's just like, I think it's 3 purple ones. So that's not a bad little thing to get. The next item is from Generation Clay, which is this item right here. This is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. and it retails for $39. And that also has a safety seal on it, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna probably look into this. This might go in my giveaway drawer as well, because I just don't mask as often as I should. But anyway, all right. The next item is, this is heavy. Is this right here? This is from Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray. Craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you a fresh and moisturized face. The retail value on this is $25.95. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so one weird thing is that the plastic actually was sticking to the box and like ripped the box in a couple places. So that was kind of weird. Okay. That is a huge bottle. This is 8.11 fluid ounces. Let's see what the sprayer is like. Okay. Sprayer's pretty nice. Smells nice. All right. Pretty cool. And then the last item in here is this from Wish. It's the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. That is what it looks like. I'm going to read it to you here in a second. Whoa, it slid right out of the packaging. All right, so it is an exfoliating foot mask. Get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. I'm going to have to give this a try. This retails for $32. So the total of my box, knowing that I picked some of these items, is... All right, so the total value of my box is $318.95. Overall, I'm not overtly disappointed. Like I said, my biggest disappointment is I swear I picked those bowls. Like, I'm pretty sure I picked those bowls. So, anyway, it's fine. I actually really enjoy the bag. I think it's actually feels very substantial, and I am happy that I got the bag, actually. So, let's go back through the items real quick one more time. I got the exfoliating foot mask, the refining micro polish, again, a face exfoliator, then the Spray All Day Rose Spray, which has a nice sprayer, and it smells really nice. Then the face mask, the clay face mask, which is a brightening face mask, the Invisibobble, the hand cream, which I'm actually really happy about, the two silicone cups, which the only thing that I'm a little concerned about, like I said, is that the one does have a little cut in it, and I'm just hoping that that doesn't make it like crack the whole way through. And then I have the bag, which I do like the bag, and the towel. I think that's everything. I think that's everything. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button and let me know in the comment section down below what it is you got in your box and whether you're happy with the items or not. I'm mostly happy with this box. I think I got a lot of the items that I will use. Like I said, the towel, the bag, we're going to the beach in a couple of weeks. These will definitely be coming with me. One thing that I would have liked to have gotten, rather than the micro polish, the Kula makeup setting sunscreen spray. I would have really liked to have gotten that, actually. When I looked through the items and I saw what there was, that is one of the items that I wish I had gotten. Other than that, I think it was all pretty good. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.